Hello, everyone, and thanks so much for joining me for Let's Talk Shop. I'm Debbie DeMartini, certified clinical thermographer at Thermal Body Scan in Santa Cruz. And the last couple weeks, I've been doing my video blog series about patient stories and ways that thermography was able to detect conditions and disorders, diseases that were otherwise undetected by traditional imaging tests and diagnostic tests. So, I'm going to continue that this week, and I'm going to tell you about a story about a lady that I saw several years ago. It was kind of a tough one. She had been diagnosed with lung cancer. She had cancer in the pleura, which is the lining of the lung. And in her particular case, she was one of those ones. She had never smoked, had no idea how she could have contracted something like this, but nonetheless had a diagnosis of lung cancer. She was in her mid-40s. She came in to me, she was referred by an outside practitioner, came to me for a full body study. So we did a full body scan. And in the report that came back from the evaluating MD, it actually showed that there was some inflammatory response happening in her ovaries. And they recommended that she go in for a follow-up and gynecological assessment. So she did. She went in and had some further tests done, and unfortunately in her case she actually had ovarian cancer. And the reason that I bring up this story is, number one, it's kind of mind-boggling to me, but nonetheless, this is a patient who was undergoing a cancer diagnosis. She had had MRIs, CAT scans, you name it. This woman had been through the gamut of tests. And if you think about that for a minute, when you're doing a study of someone's lungs, I'm going to back up a little bit here. You're looking at an MRI that's looking at the lung area. The ovaries are 5-6 inches away, and they didn't catch it. And so this is just another great example of thermography stepping up to the plate when others have missed. And the thing that's kind of tragic in these circumstances is that with thermography, it's a painless, safe test that we can detect disease and dysfunction in your body years before you're symptomatic. She was not having any symptoms in her ovaries, and she had ovarian cancer, and she's being treated for lung cancer, and her ovaries are killing her because no one had looked 5 inches down on her scans, her MRIs and CAT scans, to see that something else might be going wrong. So again, another unfortunate story, but another good selling point, I guess, on thermography of being able to detect things that other tests will often miss. And I've got dozens and dozens of these kinds of stories, unfortunately. Most of them have happy endings, but definitely it's worth checking out. So I urge you to visit my website, which is www.thermalsc.com. Again, my name is Debbie DeMartini with Thermal Body Scan in Santa Cruz. Thanks so much for joining me for another episode of Let's Talk Shop. See you next week.